Hello everyone and welcome back to Item Flicks. Welcome back to the 60-day training on MS Word. In the previous video, we learned how to insert and format tables in MS Word. Today, we will go one step further and learn about table tools. That is how to merge cells, split cells and align the content inside a table. These tools are very useful when working with reports, forms and records. So let's begin. So as we saw in the previous video as well, when you click inside the table, when you click anywhere inside the table, two extra tabs appears which are table design and table layout. These are called the table tools. They help us control the structure and alignment of a table. Let us first learn what merge cell is, which is available in the table layout format. This is the merge cell option, which is still unavailable because we haven't clicked inside the table yet. And we haven't chosen two things together to merge them. So let's learn what merge cells is. Merging cells means combining two or more cells into one. This is commonly used for table headings and table inside tables. This is commonly used for table headings and titles inside tables. The steps to merge them is that you have to select the cells you want to merge. For example, for now, just for practice or for the understanding, I'll select the two cells, which is name and subject. You can see that they are highlighted, which means they are selected. Then I'll go to the table layout tab. Here the merge cell option is visible now and I'll click over it. Now you can see that instead of two columns here, okay, one minute. I'll change the formatting so that it's more visible to you. So now you can see that earlier we had 3 rows and 3 columns, but now we have in the first line we only have 2 cells left. Earlier it was 3, now it is 2 because we have merged the 2 cells into one cell. Now let's learn what split cells is. Splitting cells means dividing one cell into multiple cells. This is useful when you need more columns or more rows inside the same cell. I'll show you how we can do so. On the very cell we did the merge cell. Now we'll split it again like normal. Since my cursor is in that cell, I will click on split. Then it will give me an option into how many columns do I want to divide it. I want to keep it 2 because I want to make one cell into 2, keeping the row 1. Now you can see again it's back to normal. Now I have 2 cells like the initial. Using these table tools, we can also insert rows above, below, and even insert column left or insert the column to its right. These options can be done as well. I'll show you a few how it's done. For example, I'll over here and there you can see an arrow. In place of the cursor, now it's so she's in place of the cursor. You can see now it is showing me a downward arrow, which means I can select the whole table. Which means I can select the whole column once. Since I've selected it, now I'll choose that I want to insert a column to the right of the selected column. See, this is how it's done. I'll Control Z to move back to initial. Then I'll use the another option, which is insert column to the left. That will insert a new column to the left of the selected column. Now, as I want to add the rows, I'll select this row, the last row, and in the table layout, I'll choose insert row above. Then insert row below. So now you can see how we are able to add more cells to the table as per our needs. You can also change the alignment inside your table, which is very important for a neat presentation. Using alignment option, we can align text to the top, center, to the right, bottom, whichever place we want to. I'll give you a glimpse of it. Like I'll select this whole table, then I'll hover over these options. Then you can see how the data will change as per the different layout or alignment options. I hope this was something very interesting to learn and you guys will practice on your own as well. So let's end this video and I'll give you a summary of what we have learned today, which is what table tools are, how to merge and split cells, how to insert rows and columns, then last, how to align text inside the tables. The practice task for you all will be to create a 3 into 4 table and then merge the first row to create a heading. Split one cell into two columns and then center align the table heading. In the next video, we will learn about images in MS Word, how to insert and wrap text around the images. By then, keep learning and improving with Item Flix.